Hello students, let's read the problem. And it says, Mr. Gonzalez estimates that his son's college will cost $9,200 in tuition per year. He started saving to pay for his son's university. Mr. Gonzalez opened a saving account and will make a monthly deposit for the next 4 years. The table below shows the initial balance in the saving account and the monthly deposits for 4 years. Mr. Gonzalez's son will study for 2 years. Which of the following options will guarantee the payment of tuition for his career? Okay, so we want to know which one of the following options will guarantee, which means will make sure that he has enough money to pay for the tuition. Is that right? Okay, and there's a lot of information, so let's go back to the problem. So we do know that the cost for the college is $9,200 per year, but it also says that he's gonna be in that college for 2 years. Is that right? So one of the things that you will need to know is how much money he's gonna need for the 2 years, right? So you need to multiply 9,200 times 2 because of the 2 years, right? Okay, and that will give you 18,400. So that's how much money he needs, right? That's like our gold, right? This is how much money he needs. Okay, now it also says that he's gonna be depositing money for the next 4 years, right? Okay, very good. Now let's look at the tables. We have 4 options, right? And just to start working on the first one, it says, for example, option A, that's how much money they start the account with, 5,500, and that 250 is how much money they're gonna deposit on a monthly basis. It says monthly. Okay, now that makes a difference because he's gonna do this for 4 years. So 4 years, it's equals to how many months? Well, every year has 12 months, right? So 12 times 4 is 48 months. Very good. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna multiply the monthly payment, which is 250, times 48, because that's how many months are in 4 years, right? And then we're gonna add up my 5,500. Okay, so I do for the first one, we get 2,000, and I'm gonna add that 5,500 because remember that's how much money he is starting the account with. Okay, and that's gonna give us a total of 17,500. Is that enough money? No, because he needs 18,400. So I know option A is not gonna be enough for us, right? Okay, let's go to B. Now in option B, the payments are $300 a month. It's a little bit more money, right? It's still by 48 months, right? So for that, we get 14,400. Is that right? We're still gonna add, oh, but this one is 4,500, okay? So remember, we're going with the option B. So add up 4,500 and we get 18,900. Is that enough? Yes, because he needs 18,400, and this option B will give him 8,900. So that looks pretty much enough, right? But let's go to the next one just so that we can check. How about C? Well, C, it's $200. It's still the 48 months, right? And that's gonna give me 9,600. I still need to add how much money they deposit, which is 7,500. That's a little bit more, right? Yes. Okay. But that still only gives you 17,100. So nope, that's not enough either, right? Okay. Let's go to D. Okay. In option D, the monthly payments is gonna be 250 We still have the 48 months because every account is going to do it for 4 years. And that gives me 12,000. And I'm going to add the $6,000, right? And that gives me 18,000. That's kind of close, but it's $400 less. Is that right? So, no, even though it's kind of close, it cannot be my answer. So, the one that will give me enough money to pay for the college will be option B. Very good. That's the answer, guys. Option B.